Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another unboxing, and this time I have a go at my first ever encounter with a Watchdives watch now. I did pay for this watch, but they did give me a good reviewer's discount, so to say. Really nice feeling outer box. The quality feels good, feels really sturdy. Like, this is really hard to convey over the camera, but like this little tag with a Watchdive logo, it feels well made. The zip feels good, everything feels good. See what's inside. The watch, of course. Put it to the side. Do we have any goodies? That's it. Something has a bit of a strong smell. We have a little, the international warranty that is not filled in is in the shape of their logo. That's pretty good, I guess. We have, of course, an instructions manual that we probably won't read if we don't have to. Let's put it to the side. And here we have the watch. And it's an homage watch, believe it or not. AliExpress homage watch. Hey, have we heard? Homage of a Seamaster. And that's a solid feeling watch. Let's remove some plastics and get back to you. And we are back, and we also have a little nice feeling screwdriver. For these are screw links, and I've heard really good things about Watchdive, that the quality is crazy good, especially considering the price. And first impression, I have to agree. Solid bracelet, no quick release though. That's okay, because we have on the fly micro adjust. Solid. Do we have any sharp edges? No, we don't. Do Seamaster 7 on the fly adjust? I don't know. I never owned a Seamaster, but I'm considering getting one because I really need a diver in my collection. So I thought I'll get a Watchdive to be a bit of a trial watch before I make the jump to, that came up quickly, the Omega one. Signed crown, screw in. We have an NH35 with the date window at down at 12. And for once, I think the 12 o'clock date window, 6 o'clock date window looks good. We have a screw in helium escape valve, female end links, laying pretty flat against the case. Not totally, but pretty. We have that nice pattern dial, and that's I really don't usually go for pattern or texture dials, but for this one it's really nice. Let's see how's the bezel. That scallop bezel, it's not the grippiest in the world, but that's some good sounding clicks. Backplay, a little loose, yeah, a little loose. Nothing to complain about though. Lines up nicely, ticks away. The finishing is superb, guys. So good. Articulation on the bracelet, yeah, that's really good as well. This is gonna be a fun one to wear and try out. Quick dimensions are really hard to measure, but I get about a 38.7, so it says a 39mm watch. Pretty true, but if we include the crown guards, we'll move up to, if we include the crown guards, we move up to about a 39.9. Sapphire crystal. Nice looking, like nicely machined sterile case pack. I don't care about case packs. Save the money. Just make them solid and feeling good. Thickness, 13.5, so pretty thick boy. And lug to lug compact, 45.8 millimeters. Good heft to it. feels solid. The build quality, the initial impressions are really, really good. Now let's put on my roughly 16.5, 17 centimeter wrist. It varies depending on the day and how the weekend has been and so on. And this is how it's gonna wear on my wrist. I wear my watches fairly low. And that will wear nicely. Lies pretty flat on my wrist, it seems. Nice compact lug to lugs, it will wear great. The lume on the indices are a bit more yellow in reality than it picks up on camera. That's clean looking, isn't it? Not the most links to spare, I've seen more, but that's good enough. I guess wrist up to, I don't know, 20 centimeter. Will wear good. For inches, use a translator, guys. That NH35 ticks away. We all know the NH35 is a workhorse, hacks, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. I'm really gonna enjoy wearing this one, and I think I found a new beater for the moment being. For under 200 bucks. Yeah, I think it's a killer. Look at it. And that clarity on the sapphire seems to be really good, and there is some AR, I dare say, because the glare is really bad in this room, but it doesn't pick up too much on it. As usual, I'll wear it for a while, and then as soon as life let me, I'll do a full review. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.